Hi guys, welcome back to the channel of Blender. Let's go make a plate in Blender. Okay, so first things first, subscribe, like, and hit that bell, and comment down below if you like this video. And it's really simple. So let's get into it. Let's go. Okay, so wait, I'm gonna remove my hair. Can you see me now? More hair. Okay, good. Anyways, so you can't really see this part of the screen because my face is here. So I'll just turn it off. Bye. Yeah. Okay, let's go. X, delete this. Yeah, just delete it. Yeah, probably delete everything actually. Delete. Alright. Add mesh circle. Now, this is the part which gets confusing. So if you click off the thing here, the settings of the circle is gone. Because I'm doing it in the 3.0 version, the latest version, you can actually press F9 and get the settings back. So, but if you're in an older version, what you have to do is just click on it, X delete, and add it again. So just add circle, change it to N-Gon. No. Is select it, go to edit mode, and don't click anything yet, okay? Don't click anything, okay? And if you mistakenly click, just press A to select it all again, okay? Just press like X. Just press the X-axis up here, and then press extrude, and it'll automatically snap to the Z-axis, and then just go like, and then what you want to do is extrude it a bit more, but littler. So extrude a little lesser. I don't know. Just extrude it a little bit less, and then press S, and extrude it to what you want, and then press X, delete faces. Nice. Go to transparent view mode, press X again, and then you can select this part, and then press E to extrude, press S, then select the second row of vertices, press S. Maybe you could go out of transparent view mode to make it easy to see, but some changes actually. So yeah. And then switch back to solid view mode, then press Alt and select this part. I'm just doing this. You don't have to do this, but I'm just doing this because my one looks too big. I'm just going to scale it down like that. Okay, and now what you want to do is press Control R and put a loop cut right there. Nice. And then you can go to face select and then press this and then press S and scale it down. Then you can go to modifiers tab. You can go to the modify tab and the wrench tab, as you can see in the logo. Then press subdivision surface. Level viewport to 2. Nice. Yep. So the advanced settings should look like this. And go to object mode and right click shade smooth. Nice. You basically got a plate. Okay. Let's get on with our plate. So, let's get our plate. Where the hell is... Oh, yes. So, this is our plate. If we go into the render view mode and go to... This is what it looks like in render view mode. Wow, totally destroyous. So, what we have to do is go to shaders. Let's go. It's really simple. New, selecting it, new. Then you press roughness all the way down. Metallic. You want the metallic to be bit up. Yeah, metallic. But you want the metallic to be a bit up. And weight and emission, not too much, but let the emission go a bit. And basically, you've got a basic plate there. Let's go render it. No, we haven't. We're not done though. So let's. Okay, yeah. So go to here. Go to this drop down. Press the scene world, and change it to this. Yep. And yeah. And then we can make a background. We can make like a a table kind of. So add it, then S to scale and make it big. Then press GZ and put it under it. Wait, oops. Yeah, that's under it. It doesn't have to be perfect, and you might want to change the color of it. And you can use a yellowish meh, and then change the thing down, or you could just add a texture. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add a texture. Okay, once you've added the texture, you put it inside the base, and let's go. We got our first plate. Got our first table. Let's go. Okay, now we go to edit mode and go to side select. Oh yeah, we go to side select. I'm already in it. Then press E to extrude and extrude it down. And what we can do is go to object mode, add mesh, another plane, but make it extra large. GZ. And then R rotate and press X, and then press Control at the same time to snap it. And once it on the up here, it shows the numbers. So once it gets to 90, there, once it gets to 90, you let go. You just click, and then you press G Y and send it flying back. Okay. Wait, we need to delete this MP4. Press select the camera and press MP4, which is delete. Okay. Once you've done that, you go to edit mode and select the bottom vertice using side select, like the bottom one, and press E to extrude, and press Y, and like that. Then what you have to do, then select this part and press E to extrude, Y, and like that. Select this one, E, Y. And then, yeah. And then go to object mode, select the whole thing, then go to shading and new. And I want to add another texture. You know what? Yeah, let's add another texture. I'll just use this and drag it inside here. Oh yeah, in the base color. There you go. So now that we've done that, and it doesn't matter if these are like this. It's supposed to be like that. And then and then go to layout, and then scroll. What we can do is add a camera. So camera. Then press Control Alt Numpad 0. So now we set the camera to our view, and let's change this to cycles, shall we? Okay, so change it to cycles, denoise, of course. Then go to the scene and change the resolution X to 1080. Yes, and change it to, oh yeah, we don't need that because we're just making we're just running our picture. And now we can just render a picture. So just press F12 on your keyboard and sit back. Relax. Oh yeah, of course. Definitely. Okay. We need to add a light. Mesh. Light in the area. Y and point it. And then selecting the light, go to the light properties and change the power up. And then press F12. Let's see how it looks. And I think we're done. Yep, we are done. Let's go to our desktop. Homer, save for Homer, and let's save it as plate. Wow. My plate. Yay! So, that's what I wanted to show you today. Subscribe, like, and hit that bell to get notified. And you have to subscribe to get notified, by the way. So, yeah. I'm pretty much done. So, bye-bye. Bye. Turn off the video! Oh my gosh, this is gonna... Fine. Bye. 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 Bye.